Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fabs in the house, and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm in the house with the Reeve knives, large Sebenza 31, and I got a BladeHQ Exclusive, which comes with a leather pouch, all the cards, disassembly information, birthday card, decal, warranty. You get some fluorinated grease, Loctite, lanyard, a tool to take it apart, microfiber cloth, and you also get the knife. Here you get this pretty cool Sebenza 31 in carbon fiber inlays. This is a gorgeous one. Look at this huge inlay, very well made. You get a knife that has 9 centimeters for the blade length and 12 centimeters for the overall length. If you like inches, that's going to be 8.6 roughly, and 3.5 roughly, and 4.75 roughly. It's all rough here. What is not rough is the Sebenza 21 that I want to show you for the size comparison. Also, this guy, not super rough, very smooth. Small 21. Just a couple more, like, because we are in the house with some old goodness. Spectre Haptic. To complete a nice picture, I want to show you a couple more. Duck, sorry, for Cody, from Cody Utzler, and that's the Duckling. Two gorgeous ones, and just, I mean, because you guys probably know that I'm a Shiro lover, I got a couple of Shiro to show you. Neon NL and F5 Silk to show you the size of this large Sebenza 31, which is a pretty cool titanium frame lock, of course. Newest edition, newest iteration, newest coating. This is finished. Sorry, this is not the classic sandblast. This is more like a ceramic glass coating going on, and it's shinier. It's less rough to the touch. It's smoother, shinier, and should withhold snail trays a little bit more. You get a new inlay, of course. It's a pretty good departure from a large Sebenza, from an Incosi, from a large, for like 21, all different inlays into. This comes in one chunk. Of course, you have one on the back, nothing on the lock bar. You get the same amount of nice chamfering on the inside, on the outside. It's a very well made knife. I believe these guys on the secondary market are around 650, 700 bucks, so not a cheap one. Also, this is like an exclusive from BladeHQ, and their limited availability is gonna probably keep the prices a little bit higher than just a regular, I don't know, wood inlay. This is a very cool one, nice design. It has all the improvements, let's say, from the Incosi, which are ceramic detent ball, angled pocket clip, nice chamfering, a little bit wider going on over here. There's one less groove. S45 VN steel, but the blade is thinner than the Incosi, so much nicer slicer in that regard. But pretty much we have a very solid one, iconic knife. It's the evolution of the Sebenza from classic, regular, 21, 25, 31. A lot of years have passed to reach this level of amazingness from Reeve knives. And the lead time now, if you want to order one of these guys, is going to be like 4 years, I believe. So you can probably get one faster if you check on the secondary market. This thing is gorgeous, really well made. It is overall in the hand, this guy feels great. I mean, it's a classic look, crown, spine. The jimping is gorgeous. 30% belly, straight edge, very thin behind the edge. I believe this is like 3. Let me just zero this thing. I believe this is like, yeah, 3mm stock. So very cool indeed. You get no billboarding whatsoever on the blade. The only thing is just this Idaho made with a font that I'm not really a fan of, and the style, like the look of the clip, is not my favorite, but this, I'm telling you, works amazingly. Like it's a classic pocket clip. It's resting not on the lock bar, so just resting on the scale right here in the back. A great cutter, push cut. It's nice piercer, slicer in the kitchen is just fantastic. You get a lanyard pin over here with a hole and some chamfering to allow the dangling of the lanyard right there. Really, really cool. There is no need for stainless steel lock face insert because you get a ceramic ball that is acting as that in the interface between titanium and steel. So that is going to eliminate any worry for lock stick. There's nothing. And also kind of acts as a detent ball ramp. Look at that. It's smooth. There's no hard step like you would see in Sebenza 21. So pretty cool mechanism indeed. You have the sound. This is very new. I can't maybe I can flick it with a little bit of this is very stiff. I mean, this is glassy smooth, guys. Very pleasant, but like it's not as flickable as, I mean, something like, of course, thumb stud and bearings. This thing just is doing this, you see. So that's a different animal. Bearings, this is washers. There's washers underneath the hood with some reservoirs to hold the fluorinated grease that it's included in the box. But you can see that these guys are kidding, not spinning like they used to be on Sebenza 21. Great groove here for accessibility to the lock bar. Fantastic grip. It's just like it's just glued, doesn't rotate. There's no blade plate. This thing is solid. The tolerances are aerospatial level, so this thing is just gorgeous. Not gonna rattle. There's nothing. Actually, if there's a rattle, it might be this lanyard pin right over here. And you know what? A trick, just drop a little drop of oil right over there, like a lube, whatever. It's gonna stop immediately to rattle. In this case, there's no lock stick. The clip ramp works very well. It's just not attractive, but function is fantastic. You get a bushing pivot going on over here, which is going through the hole in the blade and adds great stability. It is a solid design. I mean, guys, this thing looks gorgeous. Come on. If you disagree, let me know, because we have some talk to make. I mean, this is a pretty cool knife, in my opinion. I really like the design. I believe that I'm still more fond of this design, to be honest. I like the two inlays design like that, and the straight in the back, and of course this millet clip, but still pretty good. The action, of course, is not drop shot or anything, but with time it's gonna improve and get even smoother. Very cool sound, very good looking knife, great ergos. The value is gonna hold as well on the secondary because it's a Chris Reeve knife. So there you have it. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching. Stay tuned.